Here in Adobe Illustrator for 2026, I want to show you a brand new feature. It's a preference or a setting called Show or Hide Rulers. Okay, this works when you're working on multiple files at the same time. So I'm going to go to File and New, Letter, or I click Print, Letter, set my measurements to inches. I'll click Create. And just so you can see this, I'm going to go to my rectangle. We'll just draw a big rectangle on the page. I'll go to my color panel here and we'll mix a color. Doesn't matter what it is, just so you have some artwork on the page. Okay, then I'm going to go to File and New. This remembers the last sheet of paper I made, so I'll click Create. I'll draw another rectangle. Maybe we'll make this one blue. Click outside with a black arrow. And we'll do one more file. File and New. Remembers the page, remembers my measurements. And I'll do another rectangle in green. Take my black arrow, click outside. So I have one page right here, another file right here, and my first file right here. Okay, if I go to Illustrator Settings and General, there is a feature here called Show and Hide Rulers. I'm going to leave that turned off. Okay, so when that feature or that preference is off, for this file, I can hit Command R and show my rulers. But then for the second one, I wasn't ready to use rulers. And maybe for the third one, I want to measure things again. Command R. So when that preference was turned off, I can show rulers on the first one, don't show them on the second one, show them again on the third one, or go back to the first one, hit Command R. That would be Control R on a PC. So now I don't have to show them here. I don't have to show them here, but I do want to do some measurements here. Okay, I'm going to hit Command R and turn that off. Now I'm not showing my rulers on any of them. Okay, I'm going to go right back to Settings, General, and now I'm going to turn on this new preference. Show or Hide Rulers. I'll click OK. Remember, none of them have the rulers showing. Now on the first file, Command R. I'm going to show my rulers. Click on the second one, they still stay on. Click on the third, I didn't turn those on. It's showing them through all my files. If I'm on the third one, and I hit Command R, hide the ruler, it now hides it on this one, and this one, and this one. Well, maybe I want to work on some measurements here, but I don't care about these two. Okay, but when I hit Command R, Control R on a PC, it's going to show my rulers on all of them. Show them or hide them. Okay, I want to be a little more in control of this. So I'm going to go to Illustrator Settings, General. Don't show and hide the rulers all throughout my files. I'll decide when I want to show or hide the rulers. Thank you. I click OK. Show them on the first one. Click the second one, Command R. Click the third one, Command R on my Mac to hide them. Show them, hide them, hide them. I have control over the situation. And that is the new Show, Hide Rulers setting here in Adobe Illustrator for 2026.